video by Richard. Today I'm going to show you how to boil eggs. Eggs are good, but can cause side effects for the ones that has ADHD. Boiled eggs contain a lot of protein and calcium, so it's definitely worth your time boiling it. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to prepare the ingredients and the tools. Specifically, you need a stove, a pot, some water, and of course, the egg or the eggs. Insert the water inside the pot. Place the pot on top of the stove's hob. Turn the stove on and wait for it to boil. Once the water boils, insert the egg in the pot. Wait for around 3 minutes, then turn the stove off. Get the eggs out of the pot and the eggs are ready to serve.